morning. I'm not separating the babies yet at night, but I still have to milk in the mornings because the mamas have a lot of milk. Braveheart goes in. Good. And of course, there's a chicken egg. Watch out, Lucky. It's a good day to be alive, goats. All right, Mama, let's go get you milked out. You can see there's only 3 ducks this morning, and it's because we have a broody duck, and I'll take you guys up and see her in a minute. Good girl. You're probably wondering why I'm just giving the cats the milk. It's because I'm not doing like a full milking. I'm just milking them out so they don't get mastitis because they're producing so much milk. Even Flopsy's producing quite a bit. But probably starting later this week, I'll separate and we'll start doing the whole shebang where we keep everything super clean and milk out and keep the milk. Here's your minerals. Your turn, Mama. If you've been following us for some time, you know that Flopsy is really hard to milk, and although it's improved, I still think I'm gonna have to get hobbles this year. As long as she's eating, she's fine, but the second she stops eating grain, she kicks the bucket over on purpose. So yeah, but Raven has been a dream to milk. The new minerals I've been giving her are really clearing up her skin. She probably won't stand. So if you remember, she had like caked on thick, crusty skin on her belly, and that is almost totally cleared up from the minerals. I can list those below. It's like a mineral you give every day, not a free choice mineral. They're called True Care 4. So I'll list that below if you're interested in buying that for your own goats. She has great teats though. To milk. I can get my whole hand around her teats, which is really nice. If only she would stand still, she would be a dream to milk.
How she did it? Jump.
Because she's a goat. They're really good at jumping.
Oh, can I go see the baby goats?
If you put on some shoes.
Don't open it.
Oh. They are very interested in you this morning.
She does that with the wall. I got my shoes.
All right, you want to come with us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, go. Go.
Just walk behind the babies so that they'll come this way. This will be the baby's first day back here. Do y'all need to get across the water? Mama duck's off her nest, which is good because that means I can go count. Oh no! The goats really like it back here in this back pasture. There's lots of forage and there's also lots of grass, so they just really like it back here. And then it takes that pressure off of our better pasture.
I helped her with that.
Ducks, we gotta beat them. Count how many eggs. What? She's decided to make her nest in here, which is really gross. And there's no eggs in it. But there was some up here
what I thought. She covered them in hay to keep them warm and safe.
Actually, there's a whole bunch of eggs in here. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Whenever most of them hatch or she decides to get off the nest, we should probably catch her and get her in there.
Yeah, put her in the brooder.
Or we could just get some fencing and put it across here and keep them right here.
Come on, let's go get you some breakfast. Doing chores with the 3-year-old this morning has been very challenging. Very challenging. It's exciting. 9 duck eggs, and she made a really pretty nest in a very gross spot. So we may have to move her because I actually need to use that chickshaw really soon. Shep always goes in his crate first thing in the morning so I can deal with chickens and the goats without him being nosy. And then he gets out. Let's go have some breakfast. We just made some good decisions about our cow situation. So we are gonna buy the cow that we went and saw a few days ago and her heifer calf, but we're not gonna get the steer calf, we decided. We just decided that her coming here, if we had already had her for a year, we would get the steer and try to graft him on mama. But since we don't know her very well, I don't know, we just feel like it's just too many new projects. Yeah. So we're gonna get mama and we're gonna get her heifer calf, and yeah, we don't know which day they're coming, but it'll be really soon. Thanks for having this meeting with me this morning.
Talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's these 2 pigs' turn to go out on the grass. These 2 pigs have been cooped up in a fairly small space with deep bedding. I feed them fresh grass, but nothing like this. They get to pick whatever they want to eat. I'll have them out here for the day. I've got to watch closely though, because these fences are easier to get through than anything else. And these 2 have a history of being escape artists.
Arthur and Justice are sick today, so I'm not sure how much work we're gonna get done. But I do have 2 small goals I feel like we can accomplish. I want to find all my milking stuff and get it ready, because I have no idea where all of my pails are. And I want to weed the garden and plant one last thing for the spring. This is basically gonna be like an epic Easter egg hunt to find these milk pails. Like, I haven't seen them since we tapped for maple syrup. I literally have not seen them. Score! They're in the kids' clubhouse. Last place I looked. Should have been the first. Row done. I'm gonna go get some compost tea that we've been brewing in the barn and come spray it on those bad boys and give them a good start, because they honestly should have been planted a week ago. They stayed in their little starter packs a little too long. Okay, all those broccoli and Brussels sprouts and cauliflower are ready to be covered. Hey, farm boy. You supervising the job? Thank you for joining us today. We're really excited about our milk cow, and we're excited to show her to you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Dream has come true. I've always wanted to eat cilantro fresh out of the garden. That's my first time, just then.